byona Mukama ebinnuma bitwale abalabe bange banzigyeko olukongolo tonwanira entalo abalabe ze baleeta tosubwe busungu tova ku lutta lwange kanyimbe nyimuse erinnya lyo Yesu Mukama wotolinze nandibadde ntya na bino byona Mukama ebinnuma tibitwale abalabe bange banzigyeko olukongolo kanyimbe. Hey, happy Sunday. Mbampe kirabo kino now the sibuyina. So from the church, this is a gift direct from God, you know. So I want to open and see the message, you know. Sometimes the message you get from God is the message you really have to follow, you know. So now I'm opening the gift quickly and I'm going to the church. You know, I'm late. In the name of our Father, in the Holy Spirit, I open this gift to get whatever I want. I need, I guess, something which inside here. I guess to have a marriage. Oh my God, I'm rushing. I don't have time. And I pray, Lord, to have a church marriage. It's the thing I need. I pray to have my daughter. Now she goes Irina. Hey, baliwa nganonya balyoke besome nga nfunye abansuula mukyala lisiweke mbese empale no message yegende womanyi bagenda kakuweereza ogamba nti nkukala akata nkuyombesa nkuvuma naye si mu bubi wansuula Mukama nannonda wanzigalira ebweru ngamba ku church ate nga nali muntu mukulu because nali okimanyi banzibye nga so yabera mu nyumba yange naye n'ompisa bubijja gyange najje mbaida Mukama humuza mirembe. So mchala yanwaniranga entalo naawumula yali golokipa wanso mpandika bapya so that balema okunkuba omupiira naye nga kyonna kyekitoleka muntu kuba mbeera mbi. So one time omuntu ajja fuuka eky'omuwendo ngaze banange laba akanyiro naye nga Mukama yabikola. So just weeberere musaba nnyo Katonda. I guess the gift. What's this? Mumbule mulowooza kiki? Wow. I expected this. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the Bible. Oh my God. I got double. This lady, she never told me that. I told her I bought. Maybe she bought it and keep it. But I took it still the same. You remember my friend sent me this one? Mukama ayinza okulaba ng'oseerera n'agamba ate my God kyokka teyampadde kya Luganda. I expected banange